Hey friends, Gina again here to show you a little make-believe installation of the Mico Pro Plus base for their infant car seat. So this base can be installed either with lower anchors or with seat belts. We're going to show both ways for you. And remember, this video does not replace the instructions for actually installing this. This is just a kind of quick and dirty demonstration so that you can understand theoretically what you should do. But what you really should do is read the manual and then go to your vehicle and read your vehicle manual as well, just so you have all the facts and relevant information to do a correct car seat installation. Now, here is our base for the seat. Let's talk about some preparation steps to do just to make life easier for yourself. So I would familiarize myself with this indicator on the back. That's the level indicator. That actually matters a great deal when we do this installation. To make an adjustment on that piece, there's a squeeze handle on the front of it, I guess, right above where it reads Maxi-Cosi. If you pinch that, there's a foot on the bottom that has 3 different settings. 1, 2, 3. So you have some ability to adjust that level. And then another thing I would show you is on the bottom of the seat here, there is a stability load leg. You're going to want to free that little guy by pulling it forward. And then since we're doing a lower anchor installation in our make-believe back seat, I want to free my lower anchors from their little cubby holes. In order to do that, there is a red button that I'm going to press and at the same time pull out toward myself. It's a little counterintuitive, but that is how you free those little lower anchor pieces in order to install it in your back seat. So now we'll go ahead and rearrange the camera and show you the best back seat installation, theoretically, for lower anchor on your Maxi-Cosi Pro Plus. Okay, so we have our vehicle back seat. We have our Maxi-Mico Pro Plus base. The part that reads Maxi-Cosi, I'm going to put toward the vehicle seat back, like you see here. And we already freed those lower anchors, like I showed you before. But what I would also tell you to do is hit the lift release lever right there. That's going to make life easier. Now, when we install our lower anchors, they're just going to pull out and then attach to the metal bracket directly in the vehicle. And this, as I mentioned before, is self-ratcheting. So on the top of the base, there's a double window. Right now it's red, but when I press down strongly enough on the seat to make this tight, that window set is going to turn green, and then I'll go ahead and close my lift release lever. That is how I know once those are green and this is closed that that is correct. But I can also double check by taking my non-dominant hand. I'm right-handed, so it would be my left hand. I would pull on the base to make sure it's not moving an inch from side to side or an inch front to back. And that is how we would determine that it's correctly and tightly installed. So that's a little bit better. Now, on the back of the seat, there is also the base angle indicator. We're going to go ahead and make sure that that's green. Again, in this make-believe installation, we're not actually able to achieve that here, but it's just giving you the sense of what you should do. And then the final step would be you would have your load leg, presuming everything's green and the base isn't moving, you would have your load leg come down and touch the floor. There's 2 pinchers on the side of it. That will make this piece drop down and make contact with the vehicle floor. Obviously, this demonstration seat isn't capable to show you that, but this would come down and touch the floor. Now, for whatever reason, if in your vehicle this can't touch the floor, you would then leave it tucked underneath the base, and that is how you would do your installation. So again, it can be installed with this piece touching the floor or with it tucked fully under the base. And that was the lower anchor installation, but again, we could also do a seatbelt installation, which I will also demonstrate. And just briefly to show, if we wanted to take the seat out, what I would start with is hitting the lift release lever and then hitting each one of those red buttons on the lower anchor, and now the seat is free to come out. We'll go ahead and tuck our lower anchors back into their little hiding holes on the seat here, because if we do seat belt, we don't want these guys floating around, so that'll hook up like that. And we'll go ahead and we'll reinstall it in the car We've got our lift release lever up. And then what we would do is we would actually take our seat belt and run it through right where it says step 4 on the base. Vehicle belt goes under here. So we're gonna put our vehicle belt under the little teeth and buckle it. And we'll hit both pieces. And then we're just gonna do the same thing. We're gonna press down in order to turn that window set from red to green on both sides. Once those are both green, we'll go ahead and lock that off by hitting the lift release lever. Then we'll pull on the seat to make sure that it's not moving an inch in either direction, which it's not. We've got green in both windows, and theoretically this would be correctly green, and then we would still do our final step of having this come down and touch the floor. Again, similar story here, where the foot could be tucked underneath the base if you can't get it to actually come down and make full contact with the vehicle seat. So either way, installation is pretty straightforward, pretty simple, and the base has 8,000 stickers all over it to enable you, the caregiver, to be able to feel very confident about your installation with your Maxi-Cosi Mico Pro Plus car seat base. Okay, so questions or comments, feel free to leave them below, and thank you guys for watching. Again, read your manuals, always read your manuals, but hopefully this was helpful just to understand what you would theoretically be doing if you wanted to install this with the base.